Alright guys, we're heading out for a camping trip. We're here at Animal Land, just outside Sussex, New Brunswick. It's a nice campground. There's actually 3 campgrounds here if you guys want to bring your stuff and camp. We're just getting on the new trailhead here that they just started. It's the start of Trail 3401. I got my Player's Ride command going here. I'm not tracking my ride. I usually say what trail I'm on anyway. And so if you guys have Player's Ride command, or if you have the New Brunswick Quad MB app, which is basically the same thing, you guys can follow along right there. If you guys see Wendell, he's got a new pair of goggles on, and those are sponsored by RexSpecs. They make really nice quality goggles for dogs. You guys can check them out. I'm going to put a link to their Instagram and to their website down in the description, so definitely go check them out if you have a dog. And yeah, we're going to head out. I'm on a little bit of a tour guide today. I'm going to take them out here on the Sussex trails, which are some of my favorite, probably my favorite. And we're going to head out to there's a bluff look off. You guys seen that one of my videos. Circle around to the other side and go to the number 7 look off. And then from there we'll probably head up to Poley Mountain, go up to the tower up there, really nice look off, and check out Friar's Nose, and then head down to Martin Head for a camping trip. I'm lucky for me, I got a couple trail donkeys with me so they can carry most of the gear. I don't have anything strapped on, just a little bit of stuff in the back, so it's really nice having them along and getting to spend some time with my brother and my father. Getting Wendell used to his new goggles. So I'm sure a lot of people are going to ask me here. I got the Player's Ride command. I always get questions about it. It's a free app you can download. Shows all the trails. Also shows some sites and stuff around the area. See, like I was saying, this is a ram mount. It has the extra rubber thing here if you want to make it extra secure. But if I'm on the motorcycle, sometimes I'll use that just because you're traveling at highway speeds. But going pretty slow here on the Grizzly. So we're heading up the big hill here, and this is going to lead right over to Piccadilly Hill, which is a pretty steep section. The Sussex ATV Club has fixed it up a lot. Some issues, so to give you a little idea of how steep this is. Look at that. And actually, after all the rain, it's really washed it out a bit here, so it's a lot of like loose gravelly rock. So going up, you'd probably definitely want to be in 4-wheel drive. Just so you guys know, we are still on the Trail 3401, and all these entrances, there's a little signs that'll say 72 inches wide for the wider side-by-side. So you got Alright, so on Trail 3401, you see this picture. You can turn to the right, stay on the trail, take the left here. I highly recommend this. This brings you to the bluff. We can see Poley Mountain way over there. We're going to be heading over there. But for now, we're going to hang out right here. Alright guys, made it up here to the bluff look off. Was able to get out there with the drone a little bit. Hopefully you guys like that. What a beauty spot this is. Far off over there you can see Poley Mountain, the ski hill. Some guy out mowing the grass. What a spot here though. Great spot, and they got a nice little spot to have a picnic and things. Wendell's hanging out. Alright, just met up with some nice people there. Just right up there, and now we're well, it's actually over there a little bit, but now you come down to the farmer's field. You got some nice corn growing here. What a great spot to grow up on a farm. Look off. You guys, of course, have seen this in different videos if you're a subscriber from before. Great spot though. Number 7 look off here. We were just down over there. Wendell's running around. Can't even see him in the grass. Wendell, what are you doing? You don't got good enough balance to be up there.
You almost lost her.
Hey. Alright, we're taking off from the number 7 look off here. Sorry if you're expecting like a lot of trail riding video. But this is going to be a long ride, and I don't want the video to be too crazy long, so just at the intersection, 3401, 3415 here to my right, and that's what's right here on the Players Ride app. We're going to head this way over here to Poley Mountain. If you went the other way, it'd lead you right over to Friar's Nose, which is where we're going to end up anyway, so just going to have to take the longer route there. This is a fun part of the trail. There's a bunch of switchbacks, so you don't have such a steep hill just straight down. made it up to the top of the ski hill there, tower, and we're just gonna have a little bite to eat. Dad's breaking out his barbecue. We're gonna have some hamburgers. I forgot to pack the mustard, so luckily my brother Sean stopped in to Pulley Mountain Ski Lodge at the bottom of the hill there and grabbed some mustard and a bunch of condiments. So saved the day, Pulley Mountain. Thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna maybe fly the drone. We'll get some video from up there today. Burgers, the mothership. Unfortunately for us, I think it looks like rain big time. Look at the gray.
Coming right up the gut.
Yeah, we'll get smacked with it. Well, we're getting rained out just as we predicted. Dad's under the, I gave Wendell my seat. No, I'm just checking on the burgers. Sean's over there.
We'll be alright.
Yeah, we'll be fine, no big deal. Big shout out to Smith & Son for sending me a shirt. Sent him a few stickers. Once I get some shirts made, I'm going to send him some. Woo! Looks smoky, but burgers are going to be good. You having doubles, Sean?
Anything less?
Triples. Check out that. Double burger.
God, there's feathers hanging out of it. That's made out of an old blue jay.
Cheese. Tomatoes, pickles, mustard.
You wanna...
Onion soup. Starting to pick up in the rain though. Lightning and thunder that way. Can't see anything.
Alberta? Big hail like this?
Raining down, thunder and lightning. How's the burgers, boys?
Good.
6 out of 10. Yeah, 6 out of 10. Alright, well, it's pushing 3 o'clock there now. Starting to look a little bit nicer that way. Still raining here a little bit, but should be a good trip. Just about to take off there now, so catch up with you guys on the trail. Alright, the rain let up there for us. You can see it's starting to turn sunny that way, which is great. It's spent a little bit longer here than we wanted to, which sort of sucks. But still going to try and show them everything I wanted to show them. Hopefully the rain's not getting on my lens too much, but we'll get some video on the way for sure. Alright, so we just turned on to the 30, well, we didn't just turn on, but back there on the road, 3414. This is the river. I was having a pork steak up there, and there's guys shooting some shotguns off over here. I just pulled in there. Should be some camps up here. Beautiful river there too, just crystal clear water. Alright, just pulled off a little secret spot I was shown. And over there, the little point is Friar's Nose. That's where we will be heading next. So we'll be over there looking this way. What a day. Good day, eh, Dad? What do you say?
It's freaking beautiful.
I know. Won't have to worry about getting lost with that coat, will we? Alright, just a quick stop there. Wanted to show them looking across at Friar's Nose. right. We are getting there now. And this is a little parking spot. If you don't want to go all the way to the top, you don't have to. So you can just park here and walk up over the hill. And I'll be letting Wendell out here for sure. Last time I took him up here, I was a little bit nervous. So like I say, if you're not comfortable with this sort of stuff, definitely just park down there at the bottom. You don't need to come all the way up here with your bike. It's the same view, but if you'd like to get a view with your bike at the top, well, you get a view like this. Alright, made it. Friar's Nose. You guys seen this in one of my videos. My dad got up in his side by side, my brother and me. A little bit harder on the four-wheelers because risk of tipping is more. Check out the view. Fields off in the distance. Gorgeous spot. And we were right there, looking over here. Because it's getting late in the day. We got screwed over by the rain, but yeah, should be okay. We'll be all right. Hey, boy. She's a steep little hill. I'm glad I came back here actually, because I was thinking of coming up this way with my Africa, and there's not a chance I'm going to even try something like this on my Africa. It's so steep. Big heavy motorcycle like that, it's just, I don't have the skill to make it up, that's for sure. Man, oh man, this 3410 trail just keeps getting better. It's nice and smooth, and it's all tree covered. Great. If you guys are up in Sussex, I highly recommend this one. And apparently it goes to a waterfall, so... Oh, nice steep hill here. Check out the trees here. It's all like big maples, and mostly maple. just stopped off here to go check out this waterfall that Jeff recommended. We parked on the wrong side, grabbing a bottle of water. Alright, this is Crow Meadow Falls. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I know the water's probably loud. Gorgeous little waterfall though. Goes up there pretty far. Sussex is beautiful. I wish I had my camera on. Sean just ate shit, stepped on a slippery root and just went straight down.
Went down the heat.
And went down in the heat. Man, oh man, that was hilarious. I was just about to turn my camera on too, but I wasn't gonna have it facing that way. Just a quick stop there at Crow Meadow Falls. Just a beautiful spot here, right off the 3410. This whole 3410 trail has been absolutely amazing. You guys should definitely come check this one out. I know I say that a lot, but this one's really nice. Coming down to another beautiful area of Sussex. This is a great spot. I really wish I owned this and have a camp right here with all these trees and everything. Alright, we just stopped there at the Big Salmon River shelter. Nice little warming shelter. Got some drone footage. I've been wanting to get drone footage there for a long time. But anyways, quick stop here and we're going to head on our way because it's starting to get late. This trail is pretty full of water. I got some video of the last crossing we went through. This one here is not too bad yet. Good bottoms. Well, we ran into a issue. There's a young guy in a Volkswagen Jetta Golf, two-wheel front-wheel drive, lifted with nice tires and stuff. He's down over the bank here. He can't get up, so we're gonna try and winch him with the side-by-sides. Hopefully we can get him. He watches the channel, so maybe I'll give him a sticker while he's having his troubles. Wow, they got it out. Side by side. Right on.
Yeah, well, you know what?
Now, you figure?
Yeah, I only got stuck for, you know what, 5 minutes, and I couldn't have been any luckier. And when I saw that basket,
Yeah.
it was instant.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Fuck, it was.
Appreciate it. Yeah, got lucky.
Easy, guys. Thank you
Oh,
so
yeah.
much.
Oh, you guys still go camping?
Thank you. Yeah, we are.
Oh, good.
So it's literally, instead of here, we go left at the intersection.
Yeah, and you'll come up to the top, and it'll be like just like a view you can see.
Okay, that's what I was looking for. That's what I saw on iOverlander. I didn't expect to get myself in a predicament like that.
No.
But you know what? Sometimes shit happens for a reason.
I know.
I never saw you.
Yeah. Later, dude.
Chuck, man.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too. Good night.
Man, I can't believe that happened. The last thing I thought I was going to see on this trail. Anyways, it's almost dark. We got to get down to our site and get set up. We got nothing, so anyways, hopefully you guys are okay with a little bit of nighttime filming. Oh, well, that was a bit of excitement. Poor guy stuck down here with this woman. They were just trying to go for a camp. He took the wrong turn. I told him where to go for a camping spot. I hope it was the right one he was talking to. Alright, now we got another conundrum. Got a log down. So we gotta, I cut it part way. Sean, can you click the switch? I forgot to turn free spool off. Not sure I got that on camera. Made it. There's the moon over there. Oh, made it here to the island. It was probably around 9:30 when we got here. It's about 10:30 now. We have the tent set up. Fire's crackling. Fed Wendell, and as you guys know, he's in bed as usual. You tired? Got my Baker style tent. We're gonna crack a beer there now, I think. Well deserved.
Are you blonde, Jim?
Yep. Alright, Dad, Mater, cheers. Love you. Thanks for coming out. You can take off now.
He loved to torture me.
Oh, yeah. Sean, you're not in the shot really, but cheers.
Whatever.
What are you drinking?
Dirty blonde.
Yeah, dirty blonde for me too. It's gonna be a good night. Gotta get some coals, fire the steaks on.
You alright?
That was almost the second fall today.
We're a little near the cliff, so watch it.
He's pretty backed up pretty far there.
Shouldn't be this close.
What a night though.
It is a pretty.
Check that out. It's our view right now.
You should show up that.
Having a frig off. What are you at, John?
I gotta figure out this.
Frig off. Dad's on the Miller Lights.
Ugh.
It's good. Well, it's must be getting on 12, is it?
Pretty close, yeah.
Yeah. We kind of gave up on the idea of having steak tonight. Might just have a breakfast tomorrow. Having a few beers, a few chips, smoked salmon, some jerky. It's gonna be a good night, quiet night,
and we'll be heading to bed. See you guys in the morning.
Alright, we got Wendell's breakfast ready. He's whining for chicken hearts and gizzards, a couple of dried smelt, and some dried meat treats and a kibble, obviously. Leave it. Okay, get it. Good boy. Well, good morning, guys. Made her through the night there. Wasn't much hanging around here by the fire just because it got in so late, but we had a real good sleep. I slept in just the black bag of my MSS sleep system. Slept super warm. It's great. It's much bigger than my other bag, so I'll be using that one probably from here on out. We got the fire going here now. We didn't eat our steaks last night just because it was too late. It was like 12 before we actually had some coals, and we all just went to bed. So we're gonna have steak and potatoes this morning for breakfast. One with a bunch of other things. I forgot a coffee mug, so I happened to bring my Yeti thing for a beer, so it's gonna be coffee mug today. Man, it's hot. Holy crap, that's hot. Right there. Wicked spot. So they got this area cleared out where the probably the house was. Whole foundation. I think that's the lighthouse foundation. They have it all cleared out here now. But yeah, it's a wicked spot. Just want to give a thank you to my brother Ricky. Gave me a new cutting board to bring out here in the woods. That has all kinds of different types of wood on it. What is there? There's cherry, yellow birch, I don't know what that says, zebra wood, beech wood, purple heat, that sounds good. Limba, that's from Cameroon, bird's eye maple, and rosewood. So thanks, Rick, appreciate that. Gonna eat my steak on that this morning. Just cooking up some potatoes. This is some homemade bacon that my dad made. And we're just lighting another little fire to get some more coals. We can move some stuff around too.
I'll throw mine back here.
Get the biggest steak. Here, Sean.
Well, I'm glad they took the horns off it anyway.
Yeah, I know. Here, Sean. Oh, you want to bring your hands up? It's fine.
There, and Dad can have the front there. You don't want me there, have a grab at this. Yeah, that's where I want it.
Dad gets the prime real estate.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Steaks are looking good. Potatoes are done. Be a good breakfast. And get some bacon, rib steak, and some potatoes. Should be good.
Fucking good bacon.
Your bacon's good. Try this steak. Wow, that's nice, Sean. Look at that.
Yeah, no, same way.
really good. Yep. Steak's excellent.
Yeah, it turned out good.
Yeah. I got a hamburger coming for you, buddy. You already had breakfast, so. Mmm. How's your steak, Sean? Good?
Deadly.
What kind you got? Rib steak too?
Rib steak, yeah.
Bone in.
Yeah.
Dad's got the, well, he's got a little guy there bumming for food. What kind did you have, Dad, again? A strip loin? Yeah. Yeah, good?
And tasty, it cuts nice.
Oh, good.
Get out of there, bye.
All right, first test, Dad. Good?
Yeah.
A little bit of smoke. All right, we're gonna eat our steak, our breakfast. Get back with you guys in a bit. Might a little piece of steak. Guess it. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. We got a hamburger coming for you. Just takes it.
Oh, it shoves it in his face, man.
Piece of burger there from Wendell. Fire's obviously out. Cleaned up any garbage that was left here. All the bikes are loaded up. We are now heading out.
There's a ton of people down on the beach camping. You could hear them driving dirt bikes and four-wheelers. Hopefully they're not on the sand, because if you're watching this video and you don't know, it's illegal to drive on the sand. So just stick to the rocks and you'll be fine. I think they call it, don't go below the high tide mark is what they say. But if I had to guess, I would say that Fundy Park is probably going to end up taking this area over, and it's going to get closed to definitely trucks and stuff. I hope not ATVs, but you never know. You guys can see how much it's changed here. The tide really came in. Look how beautiful blue that water is. Just a gorgeous area here. Look at the people camping. It's great to see. Love it. on our way, leaving beautiful Martin Head. It's absolutely gorgeous here today. It's like the calmest day I think I've ever been here. And the tide's in, so we're going to take the high tide trail out. The low tide trail, we'd have to drive through some salt water, and not into that. I don't remember the last time I took this high tide trail going the opposite way. I usually take the low tide trail out. Such a nice area though. Straight up here on the left and straight down on the right. Pretty impressive. You get lots of these little streams, freshwater streams. Could run that through my filter, no problem at all. Turned on to the trail 3407. We were gonna go to Quiddy Falls there, but when we got to kind of where the parking lot is, there was already a bunch of cars and trucks and SUVs, and the only bad thing about having an easy spot to get to, especially lets people in cars get there. Well, whatever, at least they're out enjoying it. Coming out of trail 3403, and takes you over to Adair's Wilderness Lodge. You can get gas, there's cabins to rent. It's a really nice spot. I'm just taking off from Adair's. Didn't want to waste too much time. It's already 2 o'clock. I didn't realize it was so late. But we got to get all the way back to our truck. It's pretty far, and then got my father-in-law coming over for dinner tonight, so I have to cook up a bunch of pizzas on the Traeger. So we got to get back. No more fooling around. Man, it was so funny. I didn't have my camera on because I don't like showing people too much in my videos that may not want to be in it, you know what I mean? But we passed so many people that all stopped me to take pictures of Wendell. They love him in the front, and with the goggles that he has and stuff, they just love it. Kids and women especially, but I've had a couple of the guys stop me too. Couple Hondas. Yep. That guy knew who I was. Pretty cool. We are back at Piccadilly Hill. I recommend four-wheel drive, and that's not because I don't think you'll make it two-wheel drive. It's just that four-wheel drive is less spinny, and it saves the trail a lot. Like, you wouldn't think it, but it really does. Eew! My God, this is steep. Eew! Back there now. I hope you guys liked the video. It was a long one, long trip anyways. 163 kilometers. Not sure about the miles, but I can do that conversion. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it and you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Give the video a like if you liked it. Leave me a comment. I read them all. I try to respond to every single one. It takes a while sometimes, but you should get around to it. Yeah, I really appreciate the support with everything. You guys have been awesome over the years of doing these videos. It's always positive, and I really do appreciate that. It was also nice to get out with my father and my brother, get out for a nice ATV camping trip. I got to show them all kinds of awesome spots. and yeah, really had a good time. So we're getting back to the truck. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.
What you doing, boy? What you doing? You drink of water? Don't worry, they're coming home with us.